Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from recursion and backtracking, which is print subsequence. Okay, so for example, you would be given one string ABC, and you need to print its all subsequence. What will be so? What is the subsequence? Subsequence is it should be non-contiguous, but non-continuous, but in order. Okay, for example, if I try to make subsequence for this, would be A, B, C, empty. Okay, blank. After that, AB, BC, and AC. Okay, I cannot take CB because CB is not in sequence, okay, or CA, so that is also not in sequence. So you can see how many sequences, and ABC also. Okay, so how many sequences are there? 8. So you will get 2 to the power n subsequences. Okay, and then you can find this using power set also. So what is power set? Power set is you just take the binary, right? So 0 0 0. So the shortcut for this is the first digit. So you take 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and then second digit you will take 2 times 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, and then third digit you will take 4 times 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. So this is 8 4 2 1. Okay, and for 8 it would be 8 and 8. Okay, for 16 it will be 16 16, so something like that. So here so if this is A, this is B, and this is C, okay, so wherever it is a 1, just replace its equivalent character. So for example, this one will be C C C C, right? And here it will be B B B B, and here it will be A A A A, and remove zeros. So see, this one will be blank, this one will be C, this one B, this is BC, this is A AC, okay, AB ABC. So you can do like this, but we will see recursion method for this. Okay, how to do this with recursion. The code is very simple, only 2-line code. Okay, so let's say your function is I'm just writing print. Okay, so you will give your string. Initially it will be blank, and then 0 is the index. Okay, and now after this, inside this it will check if your index is equal to string key length. Okay, then so you will just print your this current, this whatever you have here, you just print that. Okay, and return. Otherwise, if it is not there, then you will run this recursion function 2 times. One, so ABC will be same, and here you will take this 0th if this is index, so index element. Okay, and second time you will not take that element. So for example, whatever current I have, okay, current plus, and then character at this 0th location, comma, index plus 1, so 1 for 1 it will run. Okay, and then second time it will run for same ABC. This time it will not take this character, it will just take current. Okay, and then the same index is index plus 1. So the difference is difference between this and this is index plus, this is index and this is index plus 1. Okay, so can we dry run it? Let's do this. Okay, so I will be needed lots of space, that's why I will scroll down it here. So now if my string is ABC. Okay, so my way to solve the recursion is something like this. Okay, so my function is print initial function. Okay, and it will run for ABC, and then it is taking blank for the current right now, and index will be 0. Okay, so this one will run. So if you see here, this function base condition is not true right now, so you will run the same function, okay, helper function, with the string current plus a string character at index and index plus 1. Second time this character at index will not be there, otherwise everything will be same. Okay, so I will run this again function again, print helper function ABC, and this time I will take whatever I have at 0th location. At 0th location I have A, so A will come here, and then for index plus 1 it will run, so here 1 will go. Okay, now I will come later whatever steps I have after this, but let me resolve this function. Okay, so this function I will write something like this. Okay, print ABC, then A and 1. So I have just written as it is. Okay, now I will run this print ABC. Okay, this one now will run whatever current I have, and plus whatever index 1 I have the variable, so B is here, right, and index plus 1. So whatever is there steps there, I will come later on that steps. Okay, I'll now run this function, which is this is print ABC AB and 2. This one will run for this 2. Okay, now this one will run print, yeah, so this one will run for print ABC. Okay, and then whatever index I have at second location, so second is, if this is 0 1 2, so this one will be ABC and 3. Okay, and then here I will check that my index is equivalent to my string length, right? Index is equal to string length, then I will just print out current and return. Okay, so here I will print ABC. Okay, and then here I will return. Once I will return here, I have another function print. Okay, same ABC, but this time I will not take this C, I will just take with 3 AB, and then this 3. So for this one also, this one is equivalent to my string length, right? So AB will come here, I will print AB, right, and then this one completed. So this one completed means this function is completed. I'll remove this function from here. Okay, so this one I will remove this function, this one is done. Right, now the another function will run here, which will not take this B. So ABC, A and 2 as it is. Okay, so now let's see what will happen with this. So print ABC A comma 2. If this one will run, so here you will have print ABC A, whatever value I have at second location is C, so AC. For AC this one will run and 3 will come here. As you get 3, you will print this AC, okay, and it will return. So I have here another function, print ABC A. This time I will not take this C and 3, okay, so this A will come here, right? And then this one is done for this function also, so I will remove this one. Now so for this A also, yeah, so for AB it was done, for A also this one was done, okay, and AB, this one will be 2, this one will be 2, this one run for 3, ABC got printed, and ABC and then AB got printed. From here A, C got printed and A got printed, right? Now the next, let's see what is there. So this one is done, so I'll remove this one as well. Okay, this one is removed, and now another function, print ABC. This time it will not take this A, okay, so I'll not take this A, but I will take whatever I have at location first, okay, 0 1. So I took this and then 1. Yeah, it will run for this, something like this, blank and then 1. So let's see what this one will give us. Okay, so print ABC comma blank screen and 1. So what will be the answer here? Means function here, it will call ABC. Okay, it will take whatever I have at index first. So first is this B, so it will take B and then index will be 2. Now this one will run. Okay, print ABC B comma 2. So here it will run print ABC. Okay, and then it will take whatever I have at location second. So second will be C and this one will become 3. As soon as this become B, you will print BC and it will come out from here. Okay, now next print ABC. Okay, and this one will not take this C, only B it will take. Okay, and this will become 3, right? As soon as it become 3, you will print whatever you have, so you will print this B here. Okay, you're back from here, ABC B and 2, you're back from here. Okay, so now this one is done. Now next function will call, which will be ABC. Now you will not take this B. Okay, you will not take this B, so this time you will run for blank and 2, right? So what this blank and 2 will give you? So let's see, ABC blank and 2. So if you run this again, inside this one function will call ABC, you will take whatever value at index second is C, right? And this one will become 3. So as you get 3 here, you will print this C here. Okay, now next print ABC. This time you will not take this C here, only blank and then 3. As soon as you get 3 here, you will print blank. Okay, now this one is also done, so this one is also done. If as soon as this one is also done, we are done with this function as well, right? We can remove all the functions, see, from here, and you can see we are back to this function, and this one is also completed. So everything is completed. Let's see what we have. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So that is your answer. That's it. Let's see the code here once again. Okay, so this is main and your string is ABC, and you're calling this helper function with initially blank and 0. Okay, and then you're checking inside this, one will be string, second will be current, third will be your index, and inside this you're checking the base condition. Okay, if it is not true, then you're running same function with current plus string dot character at index and index plus 1, or without taking that character, the same function with index plus 1. So that's it. Thank you.